If you are searching for a DIY project that will have your house looking and smelling festive, look no further. This morning we are showing you how to make your own citrus ornaments and garlands using fruit like lemon, lime, clementines. That's a great way to cut down on food waste. It's eco-friendly, it's cost-effective, something you can do with the whole fam. So to show us how it's done, we have Jen Reynolds here with us in studio. Great to see you.
Great to see you too.
Okay, so let's start with the fruit. I mean, this looks beautiful now, but how do we get it to this point?
So what I did is I collected all kinds of great citrus fruit, and then one orange this size is going to make 9 rounds. 9 or 10 rounds like this.
Wow.
So you want to cut off, I like to use a serrated knife. I did all of the wrong things first so I could tell you what the right things were.
Amazing.
Just like a nice thin slice. You can use a mandolin if you are proficient at using a mandolin and feel like you're not going to chop the end of your finger off.
Right.
Or just do some like really thin slices like this.
Okay.
And then lay it on your baking sheet with parchment paper.
Okay.
And have it in the oven at about 170 to 190. And this is like 4 or 5 hours. So it's not for the impatient. I brought this one. This was impatient me at 225.
Too high.
So
too high.
Way too high.
Here, wait, Jen, I want to show that one.
Oh,
to,
yes.
To our viewers at home. So see, that'll be what happens. If you go too high, it's going to get burnt like this. So you go low and you go slow.
That's right.
Low and slow.
These are perfect ones. Obviously, the grapefruit is going to take a little bit longer to dry than the small little rounds of citrus, but they are about 4 to 5 hours.
Yeah, and they're beautiful, honestly.
Exactly.
So take a look at it while it's cooking. Make sure it's going well. Once it's then dried and cooled, we're going to start making some ornaments. How do we put these together?
Okay, so I have lots of different options, and it's so much fun to just take. The most sustainable thing is taking what you have in your house and just kind of looking around and seeing what you have. We were talking about collecting pine cones, having those sort of things, cinnamon sticks, having a little tray of things like this. I love bay leaves because they smell so great.
Do you dry these too?
I dry these bay leaves. I just bought these ones the other day. I do have a bay tree, but I didn't want to exfoliate it completely. And here's some rosemary too. So all of these things are absolutely gorgeous, and we just want to add them into, so we're going to make this ornament right here.
Okay, let's get going on it.
So starting with a good wire is key.
Okay, so we've got our wire.
Yep, that's your wire. And what we've done, I've built that one partway for you right there. And yes, just like this.
Okay.
And well, we can add some bay leaves to it.
Okay, and you just kind of poke it through?
You poke it through. Now, I've made a few different ones with different strings. The strings are tough. The wire is easier to play with, and especially if you're doing this with your kids, which is lots of fun too.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't go, there are no rules. You cannot go wrong.
Okay.
So just doing, something like this. And then having a piece of fruit. And so what you want to do is just add, poke it through at the bottom like this.
Got it.
Poke it through. And then you can just
kind of twist it up.
Tie, you can actually, what I like to do is just do a little thing at the bottom, and then you can poke it through. Let's see, just like this.
We only have about 30
twist
seconds
it,
left.
got it. And have it just like this. So that we have this piece like that. And then when you get it, you can just add another piece of wire to the top like that, so that you don't see the wire going through.
Yeah, Jen, that's beautiful.
Exactly.
Real quick, do these last year to year, or is this every year we're going to make fresh ones?
As long as these are dry, they'll last about 3 years. Keep them in a sealed container, and then you can put them in your potpourri. You can put them just in a simmer pot. It makes your house smell lovely with the bay, the cloves, the citrus.
And everything there. Jen,
exactly. Compost it when you're done.
Yeah, I love that, Jen. Thanks so much.
Great. Thank you for having me.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked this, be sure to subscribe here, or you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.